Hi, I'm Bree from Grafa. Up next, we have Beyond Insights. And you're live with us, Grafa, from the floor of Token 2049. We're streaming live from Marina Bay Sands in Singapore, and we are thrilled to have our next guest, Kathlyn Toh from Beyond Insights. Hi, Kathlyn. Can you tell us a little bit about who Beyond Insights are?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, I'll hold it.
Yeah, so we actually awarded the top financial educator in Malaysia. We teach people on how to invest and trade in the global market. Yeah.
Sounds incredible. So Kathlyn, can I ask you, as a seasoned stock market investor and trader for 30 years, what is your perspective about cryptocurrency and how does it fit into your portfolio?
Yeah, I think all serious investors need to explore cryptocurrency and understand what it holds. But for me, I'm a more, I would say, not entirely conservative, I would say moderate. I maintain a less than 10% exposure in crypto. And because majority of my portfolio is related to growth stocks and some on emerging stocks. And on crypto, I invest using the IBIT and ETHA, which is the wire ETF, BlackRock ETF. And I use options. I have two covered option strategy, which is one is covered call, which is a way for me to generate income even if Bitcoin stay flat, right? And it actually helped me to hedge some downside. I feel safer this way compared to direct coins staking and lending, because I'm worried about my coins being hacked if I keep it open at the exchange. And I'm able to generate actually more returns this way in a safe way. I do trade them on and off when I see a midterm trend. And I use a short-term strategy called bull call spread. Yeah, and this one has a limited exposure on the downside, so I can sleep well. Yeah, I do have the direct exposure as well. Direct coins. I'm focusing mainly on the main coins, which is like Solana, as well as the XRP. This one is there's no ETF yet. Yeah, I wish they would have an ETFs. Yeah. Okay.
Can you see that evolving in the future potentially?
Pardon?
Can you see that evolving in the future?
Oh yes. I think there's still a lot more upside to especially the Bitcoin and Ethereum, and that's why I want to ride the wave. I want to ride it in a safe way. I think it's because of a lot of institutional adoption, and also companies will start to have some allocations on like Bitcoin and Ethereum.
I think we're absolutely seeing that shift in the industry here. So Kathlyn, can you tell us, for people who just trade crypto, especially the younger audience, what would be your advice about the stock market?
I think I would still advise the younger crypto traders or investors to also have exposure on the stock market, because to me this is there's more certainty there. There's a lot of strong fundamental stocks, and to reduce the learning curve, they can stay within the ecosystem of crypto. For example, right, they can get exposure in strong fundamental stocks that are related to crypto exchanges, right? For example, like Coinbase, go for the authorized one that are already making money and growing fast. The other one is the broker, fintech brokers, like example, the Robinhood, already profitable. They can also go for the ecosystems related to AI. Example, data centers, the storage, networking, or the microchip graphics card like NVIDIA. So because then you will reduce the learning curve. They still feel that, oh, I'm in the crypto world, right? I can understand the younger generation. They will find probably the other stocks are boring to them.
Okay, that's a very soft landing entry there. So yeah, I love the strategy. Now, can you tell us, Kathlyn, you have been teaching about trading psychology for 17 years. So why is this important?
Yeah, to me, when it comes to making money, greed and FOMO, fear of missing out, will always creep in. And having traded for 30 years, I've gone through my own personal temptation, and I've seen many people, right? I have 7,000 students so far, so I can see a pattern. So I think it's very important for us to be able to, everyone likes to make money, but it's more important to be able to preserve it. There's a certain amount of risk money, but you should not risk your entire account. So having gone through the up and down in my earlier days, I have actually honored, what can go wrong. So we need to make sure that we are able to sustain the wealth. So
That's some excellent insight, and I like how you're trying to preserve the next generation's wealth while also increasing it. So I've loved the time here. Thank you, Kathlyn, for joining us, and we wish you all the best.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you. You've been live with Kathlyn from Beyond Insights, and if you would like to stay up to date with more news and interviews, head to Grafa.com.